An emergency. Now every second counts. But emergency medicine is not only a race against time. Teamwork is a must, along with modern medical technology and loads of energy. Lawmakers are demanding ever higher technical standards in the intensive care unit, in clinical diagnostics, and in the operating room. That increases the number of medical devices that require electricity. Over the past 20 years, the energy consumption of a hospital has risen by around 25%, along with continually rising prices.
Our hospital spends around 500,000 euros a year for energy. We'd rather spend that money on other things, of course, like our basic services for care, medicine, and good doctors. That money isn't there, so we're interested in finding ways to save.
A good place to start in any hospital is the basement boiler room. Here you can often find conventional gas or oil-fired boilers that only produce heat. A better idea is to use the fossil energy for both heat and electricity production, like in this block heating power plant.
Block heating stations are mini power plants that produce electricity on the one hand, reducing the need for electricity that would otherwise have to be purchased, and effectively use the generated waste heat on the other. Hospitals need heat in the summer as well for things like warm water systems.
Therapeutic baths and the large amount of wash water used in hospitals lead to a year-round need for heat. There's a steady supply of waste heat from the block heating plant, which can be operated very economically. At the Bethel Berlin Hospital, energy experts have carried out even more energy-saving measures. Old heating pumps always operate at a constant rotational frequency. That means that no matter how many heating units are turned on, the pump tries to transport a constant volume of water through the pipework system. If it's too warm, heaters are turned down, automatically creating higher pressure in the pipes. The pump then works against increased resistance, creating inefficiency. Modern, speed-controlled pumps, on the other hand, supply only the amount of water needed at a given moment, and that saves energy. Modernizing and optimizing older heating systems is worth it, even on a small scale.
There were some pumps we could simply get rid of. All in all, we've saved more than 100,000 kilowatt hours of electricity with new heating pumps alone.
That's around 5% of the hospital's entire power requirement. Along with efficient heat production and an energy-saving pump system, the Bethel Berlin Hospital also optimizes the distribution of heating water and the lighting system. That saves the medical facility more than 130,000 euros in energy costs. At another Berlin hospital, the Evangelisches Krankenhaus Hubertus, the operation of the air conditioning was optimized. During the summer, the air temperature in the operating room is normally lowered by cool water circulating in the ceiling. With the help of a compressor, a special cooling machine keeps the cooling circuit at the desired temperature. During other times of the year, it's not necessary for the cooling machine to keep the cooling circuit at such low temperatures. An intelligent controller ensures that the cooling machine creates temperatures that are only as low as necessary. That increases the degree of efficiency for the entire facility by some 30%. Hubertus Hospital is located in the Berlin district of Zehlendorf, and the complex includes a protected park. Once in a while, the caretaker goes on an excursion. His goal lies several meters under the earth. A ladder takes him into a former heating oil tank with a holding capacity of 1,500 cubic meters. The tank was cleaned and now serves as a rainwater reservoir. The caretaker makes the rounds in a paddle boat. Rainwater from 2 of the hospital's roofs is directed into the tank through gutters and pipes. If the tank is full of water at the start of summer, that makes 1.5 million liters available for watering the park. And that saves money for drinking water. The amount of water in the tank never falls below a certain level. That way, firefighters always find a certain amount of water they can use right away in case of a fire. Through the intelligent use of natural resources and the optimization of heating and air conditioning units, the 2 Berlin hospitals have reduced their energy costs by a quarter, and in some cases, even by half. And that frees up resources for other uses. Those resources may be needed at any moment.